Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to deep dive straight into Cardano ADA. We've seen a lot of volatility with Cardano recently, with smart contracts being announced just here recently and giving a great date of September 12th. We are going to continue to see volatility take place. Like I said, a lot of news is being bought up right now. FOMO kind of being that fear of missing out right now, trying to get in before that Cardano really takes off, hopefully to a $3 price point by the end of the year. We've talked about price predictions in the past. We're going to give you guys up-to-date price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market part 2, so stay tuned for that by the end of the video. I will also say, guys, if you want to stay up to date with Cardano as well as so many other altcoins across the channel, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So to start off, we actually look at the last 24 hours being an 11.3% increase, the last week being a very, very large 57.86% increase, and then the last month being about a 75% increase. Just absolutely massive for Cardano. A lot of hype, like I said, being bought up right now. I do hope that they do deliver these smart contracts on time like they've announced, but you know, we've seen things in the past that a lot of people have speculation about. I do believe we are going to see smart contracts released on September 12th like they've kind of announced, you know, previously, but I do expect a lot of people to continue to keep their doubts in hand. We have Cardano as, like I said, one of those coins that are cryptocurrencies that I believe in substantially. I believe that this provides so much utility for the future of this crypto space. You know, the use cases that really can be provided around Cardano. We've seen the solutions. I do want to talk a little bit about this article here. So here we have an article talking on CoinDesk.com about Cardano jumps on Signal's smart contracts coming next month. The plan to add smart contracts next month could defy skeptics who have bet that the functionality wouldn't come anytime soon. Like I said, those skeptics are still out there, still betting against Cardano, even with Charles giving that announcement. It is crazy to see this taking place. Like I said, we didn't know exactly when smart contracts were going to come to us, so it's great to actually have that final date now. And I also want to say, guys, there's a lot of opportunities that could come along with this. We've talked about this, smart contracts date in our past Cardano update video, but there's more to talk about today as well. So we jump down a little bit farther. It says the video says Monday, September 12th, but that date is a Sunday. Is it Sunday the 12th or Monday the 13th? They actually, IOHK announced that it was the 12th. So expect the 12th of Sunday, September 12th, that is, to have those smart contracts released to the public. I do want to also talk about a little bit on this out now Daedalus mainnet 4.2.1. Daedalus 4.2.1 enables voting registration for Project Catalyst Fund 6 with the continued support of Ledger Nano S and X, as well as Trezor T wallets. So that's going to definitely be a big deal as well. We also can see that now they have a new dev blog, how we minted the NFTAs, and why we went for this standard. Tokens built on Cardano are native. Unlike Ethereum ERC20 tokens, Cardano doesn't require a smart contract, and that's huge. Obviously, Cardano has smart contracts, but does not require them in this specific form. We also see the summit is confirmed. So we saw dates actually come out for this as well. We can see the Cardano summit going virtual world, 7 Cardano event hubs, 20 community-led events, and 50,000 plus attendees. Imagine how many people are going to learn about Cardano for the first time, as well as learn more about the really efforts that are going into play. And continuing to see just crazy things taking place, I believe, with Cardano. I think we are going to see some massive things being announced as we move closer and closer. I do want to jump actually into Cardano ADA and see the Twitter here. If we actually scroll down a little bit, it does give us exact dates. I don't have the dates up right now. I kind of want to give you guys the exact dates. But here's something I wanted to talk about as well real quick. So 150 funded projects in less than 11 months. 70 new proposals marked yes during Fund 5. So imagine, like I said, Fund 6 going to be huge. Fund 5 was a massive success, really. This round, Cardano community voted yes on 70 proposals, bringing the total number of funded projects to over 150 in less than 11 months. Congrats to all the successful projects. You can actually view the full list and details on these projects here. Just like I said, I think this is going to continue to build this ecosystem up, continue to build so much utility on this Cardano ecosystem that a lot of people are going to really wish they started to invest early on. We also have the Friday fun fact. So here we have the Fractoid Friday that Cardano always puts out. Project Catalyst Fund 5 has a total of 323 ideas listed, of which 70 projects were funded, up from 51 projects funded in Fund 4, 37% of an increase. In addition, the voter count increased 43% from Fund 4, with 33,000 unique wallets registered to vote from 23,000 wallets. So that's quite a bit. Fund 6 is now open and will distribute US close to about $4 million in ADA. for funding, almost double the Fund 5. So expect more projects continuing to be supported by Cardano as we move on. And I think, just continue this support train. We are going to continue to see great projects come about. And like I said, more utility continue to build on the Cardano ecosystem as we move forward. I do want to jump back just a little bit to the Cardano article here. It talks more about how ADA price reached $2.08 at 9:05 UTC Friday, the highest since mid-May, when ADA was trading at 231 at its all-time high. Over the past 24 hours, it's up 16%. If we take a look at the price point right now, we're seeing a much higher price point at $2.21, now at $2.19, still a 10% increase in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's been doing absolutely insane. And one thing to note is that Cardano is number 3 in market cap, beating Binance BNB out by over $2 billion in market cap. That just shows how fast Cardano has grown, because Binance BNB has still been on the up and up for the most part, with a 3.14% increase in just the last 24 hours as well. I do want to talk about the end of the year, price prediction-wise, where we could see Cardano, as well as the end of the bull market part 2. A lot of people asking when that bull market part 2 could end. Well, we don't really know, unfortunately, as of yet. We are really deciding whether or not we are back in that bull market part 2, and really if it has started or not. So right now, like I said, a $2.19 price point on Cardano. I think as we move forward, we are going to continue to see this price move up as we get closer to smart contracts. And as smart contracts does release, we may see some volatility, maybe a drop into another buy point, or really a support that leads into more of a resistance level as well. So I think as we move forward, we'll continue to keep you guys up to date, obviously, with those prices as well. But by the end of the year, I could easily see a $3 to $5 price point on Cardano ADA. That hasn't changed for the most part, but for the most part, $7 to $10 is still in play for the end of the bull market part 2. We've talked about a lot of different price points for Cardano in the last year. We always keep you guys up to date with Cardano specifically, pretty much daily updates. So if you guys want to stay up to date with Cardano, like I said, as well as so many other altcoins, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I do think Cardano still has a lot of really leverage left in this network. I think, in the space, the fact that we're number 3 in market cap already is just going to show how much people believe in this project's long-term future. With staking involved as well, I do believe a lot of people are just so really passionate about this project, understanding that there's passive income to be made. There's also just so much really behind this future that we don't know about, I guess, that could come about with, like I said, Fund 5, Fund 6, seeing these new projects jumping into the ecosystem. It's just a fun time right now for Cardano holders. And I think, like I said, we'll keep you guys up to date through it all. So I'd also want to say, guys, if you are not following me on Twitter, make sure to definitely do so. If we actually go to my profile, I have about 5,574 followers. We can definitely pump those numbers up. Right now, we are sitting at around 97K subscribers on YouTube, so we definitely should be able to get that number, like I said, much higher as we move forward. I also tweet quite a bit about this, so here we saw announced for smart contracts to be released September 12th, 2021. Imagine where this brings Cardano in 2022. And I think we are going to see some big things happening in 2022 for Cardano as well, but like I said, we'll keep you guys up to date as we move through the month. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys, like I said, in the next one.